Hello everyone! Want to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to monitor your processor temperature using a free and popular hardware monitoring tool. First, open Start and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results and select Run as Administrator. Now, in the Command Prompt window, enter the following command showing on the screen. Press Enter. Windows will now download and install HWMonitor using Winget. If you are asked to agree to the source or package terms, type Y and press Enter. Once the installation is complete, open HWMonitor from the Start menu. Here you can see detailed information about your computer's hardware. Expand your CPU section and you will find the processor temperature readings. You can check the current, minimum, and maximum temperatures of each CPU core. This is useful for checking whether your processor is running at a normal temperature or getting unusually hot, especially while gaming, running heavy applications, or performing demanding tasks. So, this is a quick and easy way to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11 using HWMonitor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.